In today's video, I will teach you how to create a neon light text effect in Gimp. Let's get started. Creating a neon text effect in Gimp can add a vibrant and eye-catching element to your designs. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to achieve this effect. The first step is installing the font. Head to dafont.com and download this font. And you can install it by extracting the zip file, then right-click on the font file and select Install. Now, launch Gimp and reset the background color to default by pressing D. Then create a new image by going to File, then New, or simply by pressing Ctrl-N. Then set the width and height of the new image and choose foreground color for the fill. Then click OK. Now we're going to select the text tool. Click the text tool icon in the toolbox, or simply go to Tools, then Text. In the Text Tool Options dialog, select the font that you just installed. Then choose a color and set the size. Now, click on the canvas where you want to place the text and type your desired text. Now, use the Move tool to adjust the position of the text on the canvas. And you can also use the Scale tool to adjust the size of the text as needed. Now we're going to make a selection in the text. To do this, navigate to Layer, select Transparency, then Add to Selection to select the text. Then go to Select, then Shrink, and enter a value to shrink the selection around the text. Then press Delete to remove the selected area. Then go to Filters, Alpha to Logo, then Neon. Now, adjust the settings in the Neon dialog box. Then click OK to apply the filter. If desired, delete the background layer to use your own background image. Now, select the Neon Glow layer and apply a Gaussian Blur filter by going to Filters, Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Then select the Neon Tubes layer, then go to Layer, then Merge Down. Repeat the step for all neon layers until they're all merged. Then click on the Rotate tool icon, then click on the neon text. Then drag the mouse to rotate the text as needed. Now go to File and select Open as Layers to insert the texture image. Then resize and reposition it below the neon text layer. Then select the texture layer, then go to Colors, then Curves to adjust the color, brightness, and contrast using the Curves tool. And once you're satisfied, you can save the project file in Gimp's native file format. Optionally, you can export the image in a widely used format like JPEG or PNG. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.